He's picked it up the last month before Christmas. He couldn't stay with him before. That's that short gearing. That's all that short, that bigger sprocket. You can get it going a bit quicker. Oh, he wants it. He wants it, but he's not good enough yet.
He's got him.
Oh, he's on it today.